Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hmong salad dressing, step by step. We will begin by gathering all the essential ingredients. You will need fresh herbs like cilantro, mint, and green onions. Also, prepare your fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and granulated sugar. Don't forget your chili peppers, garlic, and a sturdy mortar and pestle for the best results. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious dressing. Next, we will prepare the aromatic base for our dressing. Place approximately 3 to 5 fresh garlic cloves into your mortar. Then, add 1 to 3 hot chili peppers, adjusting for your preferred spice level. Using the pestle, pound these ingredients together until they form a coarse, fragrant paste. This crucial step releases their intense flavors, which are fundamental to authentic Hmong dressing. Now, let's craft the liquid base of our dressing. To the crushed garlic and chilies in the mortar, add about 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Follow this with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, which provides a wonderful tang. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar until it completely dissolves. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring all the flavors are well combined for a balanced and delicious dressing. For the finishing touches, we will add the fresh herbs. Stir in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh cilantro. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of fresh mint and 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced green onions. Gently mix all the ingredients together, ensuring the herbs are evenly distributed throughout the dressing. Your vibrant Hmong salad dressing is now ready to be poured generously over your favorite crisp salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.